Welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about USA quarter dollars which can fill your pocket. They are very valuable, and let's start with the top 3 most valuable dollar coins. First up, the 1980 D Washington quarter, a coin that, despite its common appearance, holds remarkable potential for those with a keen eye and a passion for history. The 1980 D Washington quarter was minted at the Denver Mint, as indicated by the D Mint mark adorning its obverse. This coin is part of the illustrious Washington Quarter series, which began in 1932 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth. Designed by sculptor John Flanagan, the obverse features a dignified portrait of the first U.S. president, while the reverse showcases a majestic eagle with outstretched wings, clutching arrows and an olive branch, symbols of America's readiness for defense and desire for peace. In 1980, a significant change occurred in the minting process. For the first time, quarters minted at the Philadelphia Mint bore the P Mint mark. This shift marked a new era in U.S. coinage, making the 1980 quarters, including the Denver minted D variants, particularly noteworthy for collectors. Now, you might wonder, with over 518 million 1980 D quarters produced, what makes this coin valuable? The answer lies in the pursuit of perfection and the thrill of discovery. While many of these coins entered circulation and show signs of wear, finding a 1980 D quarter in pristine, uncirculated condition is a true challenge. Coins that have been carefully preserved, exhibiting sharp details and lustrous surfaces, are highly sought after by collectors. The value of a 1980 D Washington quarter varies based on its condition. In average circulated condition, it holds its face value of 25 cents. However, uncirculated specimens can command higher prices. For instance, coins graded as mint state, MS 65 may be valued around $5,000 to $6,000. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Exceptional examples graded MS 67 or higher are rare gems that can fetch even greater sums at auctions. Beyond condition, certain error varieties can significantly enhance a coin's value. Off-center strikes, double strikes, or coins struck on misaligned planchets are fascinating anomalies that intrigue collectors. While these errors are uncommon, they serve as reminders of the intricate and sometimes unpredictable nature of the minting process. Imagine the exhilaration of discovering such a treasure in your pocket change or coin collection. The possibility of unearthing a high-grade 1980 D quarter or a unique error coin adds an element of adventure to the hobby of coin collecting. It's a testament to the idea that everyday objects can hold extraordinary stories and unexpected value. As you delve into the world of numismatics, remember that the true worth of a coin extends beyond its monetary value. Each coin is a tangible piece of history, reflecting the artistry, culture, and technological advancements of its time. The 1980 D Washington quarter, with its rich heritage and potential for rarity, embodies this sentiment perfectly. So, keep your eyes peeled and your enthusiasm high. Whether you're a seasoned collector or new to the hobby, the pursuit of these hidden treasures offers endless opportunities for discovery and learning. Who knows? Next up, have you ever wondered if the loose change in your pocket could be worth a fortune? What if I told you that a simple 1981 quarter with a P Mint mark might be hiding incredible value? That's right. This seemingly ordinary coin could be your ticket to a major payday. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the 1981 P quarter, uncovering its history, its potential future worth, and why collectors are eager to get their hands on it. Let's start with the history of this coin. The 1981 P quarter was minted in Philadelphia, as indicated by the P Mint mark. While millions were produced, not all of them survived in pristine condition. Over time, coins get worn down, lost, or melted, making high-grade examples increasingly rare. What makes this coin special is its place in the transition period of U.S. coinage, just before major design changes. This historical significance alone adds to its collectible appeal. Now, let's talk about its current value. While most 1981 P quarters in circulation are worth face value, those in mint condition, especially if they're uncirculated or proof-like, can fetch impressive prices. Some have sold for $50 to $100 or more in top grades, And if you have an error version, such as a double die or off-center strike, the value skyrockets even further. The key is condition. The better the preservation, the higher the price. But here's where it gets exciting. The future potential of this coin is massive. As more collectors enter the numismatic market, the demand for vintage coins like the 1981 quarter will only increase. Rare coins have a track record of appreciating over time, and this one is no exception. Experts predict that in the next decade, top-grade examples could reach $200 to $500 or beyond, especially if they possess unique errors or toning that enhances their eye appeal. What makes this coin truly valuable is its scarcity in high grades. Most quarters from 1981 were used in everyday transactions, meaning they're worn and scratched. But if you find one that looks like it just left the mint, sharp details, full luster, no wear, you could be sitting on a gold mine. Coin dealers and auction houses are always on the hunt for these pristine examples, and they're willing to pay top dollar for them. Another factor driving up its value is the growing interest in 1980s coinage. Many collectors who grew up in that era are now nostalgic for coins from their childhood, creating a surge in demand. The 1981 quarter is part of that wave, and as more people seek it out, prices will continue to climb. This is your chance to get ahead of the trend before it's too late. If you're lucky enough to own a rare variety, like a double die or misprint, the value could be even higher. Some error coins from this era have sold for thousands of dollars at auction. The key is to examine your coin closely, check for doubling in the lettering, unusual strikes, or any other anomalies. You never know what hidden treasure you might be holding. Now, you might be wondering, how can I sell my 1981 quarter for maximum profit? The best way is to get it certified by a reputable grading service like PCGS or NGC. A professionally graded coin in a sealed holder commands far higher prices than raw coins. Once certified, you can sell it through auctions, private collectors, or online marketplaces like eBay, where serious buyers compete for rare finds. Don't underestimate the power of this coin. Many people overlook their spare change, not realizing that a single quarter could be worth hundreds. The 1981 quarter is a sleeper hit in the numismatic world, and its value is only going up. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this is a coin you'll want to hold on to, or sell for a hefty profit while demand is high. So, what's the bottom line? The 1981 quarter is a legitimately valuable coin with serious future potential. If you have one in excellent condition, it could be worth $100 or more today, and possibly $500 plus in the coming years. The time to act is now. Check your coin collections, inspect every detail, and see if you're sitting on an unexpected windfall. This is your sign to start hunting for rare coins. Who knows? The next 1981 quarter you find could be the one that changes your fortune. Stay tuned for more coin secrets, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest updates on hidden treasures in your pocket. Next up, attention coin collectors and treasure hunters. Today we're uncovering one of the most overlooked rarities in modern U.S. coinage, the extraordinary 1985 quarter dollar. This seemingly ordinary coin holds secrets that could make you thousands of dollars richer if you know what to look for. While most people pass these quarters without a second glance, savvy collectors are paying premium prices for the right specimens. The 1985 quarter was minted in Philadelphia during a fascinating period of U.S. coinage history. The mid-1980s saw tremendous coin production, but hidden among the millions of ordinary quarters are some incredibly rare and valuable varieties. What most people don't realize is that certain 1985 quarters contain mint errors and special characteristics that make them worth hundreds or even thousands of times their face value. One of the most sought-after varieties is the 1985 double die quarter. These rare coins show clear doubling in the date and lettering, a result of misaligned dies during the minting process. High-grade examples of this error coin have sold for over $1,500 at major coin auctions. Even well-worn circulated specimens can fetch $200 to $500 from eager collectors trying to complete their error coin collections. But the double die isn't the only valuable variety. The 1985 P quarter also exists in rare proof-like versions that were accidentally struck with special polish dies meant for proof coins. These mirror-finish quarters are exceptionally scarce and highly prized by collectors. A single proof-like 1985 P quarter in mint condition recently sold for $850 at a Heritage Auctions event. The value of these special quarters continues to rise as more collectors discover their existence. Professional coin grading services like PCGS and NGC have certified fewer than 50 examples of the key varieties across all grades, making them genuinely rare finds. When one does appear at auction, bidding wars often drive prices far above estimates. What makes these coins so historically significant? The 1985 P quarter represents an important transition period in U.S. minting technology. The Philadelphia Mint was implementing new quality control measures in the mid-1980s, making error coins from this era particularly interesting to numismatists. Each era tells a story about the minting process and gives us a tangible connection to America's coinage history. For collectors, finding one of these rare quarters is like uncovering buried treasure. Imagine going through your pocket change and discovering a coin worth hundreds of dollars. That's the thrill that keeps coin hunters searching rolls of quarters year after year. The excitement builds when you consider that most people have no idea these valuable coins are still circulating. The market for error coins has exploded in recent years, with collectors paying record prices for mint mistakes. The 1985 P quarter varieties fit perfectly into this growing collecting trend. As more people learn about these hidden gems, demand and values continue to climb. Smart collectors are acquiring these coins now before prices go even higher. How can you identify a valuable 1985 P quarter? Look closely at the date and lettering for any signs of doubling or unusual features. Check the surfaces for an unexpected mirror-like finish. Examine the edges for broad-struck errors. Even minor variations can indicate a potentially valuable specimen. When in doubt, have your coin evaluated by a professional grading service. The most exciting aspect of these quarters is that they're still out there waiting to be found. While most were undoubtedly spent without a second thought, some certainly survive in collections and coin rolls. Yours could be the next major discovery to hit the numismatic world. The hunt is part of what makes coin collecting so thrilling. For investors, these quarters represent an excellent opportunity. Rare coins have historically outperformed many traditional investments, and error coins in particular have shown remarkable appreciation. A $500 investment in the right 1985 P quarter today could be worth several $1,000s in just a few years as more collectors enter the market. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start checking your quarters today. You might be holding a small fortune in your hand without even knowing it. The 1985 P quarter dollar proves that treasure hunting isn't just for storybooks. Real, life-changing discoveries are still possible in the world of coin collecting. Will you be the next person to strike it rich with this overlooked modern rarity? Remember, every great coin collection starts with a single discovery. Your 1985 P quarter could be that once-in-a-lifetime find that launches your numismatic journey. Happy hunting, and may your search be filled with valuable discoveries.